Welcome aboard Batten Kill Railroad. I'm John. Today we are opening up an Atlas Gold Series, an RS-36 in the paint job of Southern New England 5012. I do remember they do love their packaging here, but we'll get it out here. This is identical to the engine I had for the Batten Kill engine. If you go back in my videos, you'll find that one. It's the exact same engine, just different paint job. Once again, detail from Atlas was really good on this. Paint job is very clear. And this will be running together with the Batten Kill train on my ceiling layout. And this is what the two will look like together. I did put a picture for you. All right, let's take a look. They did really well on this one. Again, the detail is done very well. This actually does run up on the Batten Kill tracks in upstate New York. I found quite a few pictures of it. It is a beautiful paint scheme. It is iconic. It is the old Delaware and Hudson look, just renamed to Southern New England on this engine. Let's do a little bit of drone looking footage. We'll be doing another update of that train room here soon. They've come a long way. Shelves are starting to go up. And probably a few more weeks still construction, but it's coming along. Sorry I haven't given more updates. Anyways, here's what a lot of you are waiting for. Let's listen to her. She sounds good too. Okay everyone, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscription and like button and that notification bell, and I'll have more videos coming here shortly. Hopefully we can start building soon. You have a great weekend.